Welcome to my channel. In the past video, I speak about operators. Right? Let's see the demonstration of the operators. Go to the notebook. Okay? Here are some of the operators. Firstly, we see about arithmetic operators, where we do mathematical operations, basic mathematical operations. Here I am assigning it two variables a and b with 10 and 20. So normal operations a plus b and a minus b, a star b. This is where the exponential operation comes into, similar to a power b. In this case, we change something here. Give a print it 2 power. This is the 2 power 5 value 32. Okay, will provide the power value also. Exponential operator will start. The next one is division, normal division. This is the floor division. Normal division, this is floor division. It will remove the decimal part of the value. Next one is the logical operators. Here I am assigning three values x, y, z with 10, 20 and 10. So here is an AND operator. Will do similar like a multiplication operation. Both are true, the result will be true, otherwise false. In this case, these two, or this one is true because 10 is less than 20 is true and 10 is greater than 10 is false. So true and false is true into false, result is false. Similar to 0 equal to 0, multiplication operation. The next one is OR operation. This is an addition operation. Same value, result is true. Why? Because if any one of the value is true, then the result is true, otherwise false. Similar to plus 0, 1 operation. Next one is not. This will not or negation. It will convert the values to a opposite value. In this case, it will convert the true value to false value. So false and false equal to false. So it is also denoted by approximation symbol. 1, 2, 0 to 0, because this will convert the value to opposite value, 1 into 0 or 0 into 1. So the result is false. So next one is comparison or relational operators. Same values I'm declaring here. This is comparison, like this is less than 20 or not, means 10 is less than 20 or not. It's true, so the result is true. Likewise the same, this is greater than 20 or not, it's false, so the result is false. X is not equal to y, means 10 is not equal to 20, so condition is true, so the result is true. The x is not equal to z, both are 10, 10 not equal to 10, that is false, because they are equal. So this is equal, double equal, the 10 equal to 10, it's true, so true is resulted printed. Next one is x equal to y, so the 10 equal to 20 is false, so the result is false. The next one is assignment operator. Here we use a normal equal to sign. We can use a plus equal to or minus or multiplication or division also, depends upon the equation. Generally it is a normal variable declaration or initialization. The next one is bitwise operator. As I said before in the previous video, it will work on a binary value. Run this. So the A and B, the binary bitwise AND operation, the result is 0. Same OR operation, the result is 14 because OR is a addition operation. So 10 plus 4 equal to 14. The next one is bitwise not. It will convert the value to negative or a positive value. The next one is bitwise XOR operation. So the value is 14 in this case. The next one is identity operators. Whether the two values equal or not. So A is B or not. 10 is 20 or not. So the result is false. Then the A is not B. The correct statement, right? 10 is not B. So the result is true. Next one is membership operator. Membership operator, whether the string is present in the sequence or not, a value is present in a list or not. You will see the list data structure in the later sections. Similarly, I am declaring two values A and B, A with 10 and 20. The list is of 10, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Checking whether the A other means 10 is in list or not. So 10 value is present in the list, so the result is true. The next one is 20. 20 is not in the list, so the result is also true. These are some of the operators present in the Python. I will share the notebook links, the description by uploading to the GitHub.